Hi Antoine, thank you very much for participating to this event. I was very impressed and inspired by your vision of the new world of energy during the panel that you participated. You know, the Innovation Summit that we are running here in Paris is about what are the bold ideas. What are the bold ideas we have about the new world of energy, EcoStruxure grade, which is the new complete offer we are bringing to the market. So what is your bold idea, Antoine?
My bold idea is that distribution networks are the heart of energy transition, and it is on the tracks. And it is on the tracks. In the past, we were more or less a reactive distribution network, and now we are a dynamic one. Let's say the renewables are connected 95% of the distribution network. So we have to be very reactive because the production of this renewable are not flat. It depends on the weather. And on the other side, on the customer, with the smart meters, we have a very dynamic view of what is happening on the low voltage network. So we have to be very dynamic to connect all these news issues, and all these things are done to diminish the electricity consumption, to be more clean, to reduce the CO2 emission. So it's totally the energy transition, and the heart of the energy transition is the distribution network because it's going there. So we have to be dynamic network, and Enedis is really on the tracks with Linky and with 95% of the renewable on the network.
So if I summarize, the network is at the heart of the system, and we have to manage in real time, very dynamic way, all the information in order to optimize all the equation, which is consumption, cost, CO2 emission, and of course service to the customer.
Exactly, real time, and to be able to integrate all this real time information, to manage them, to have a very high value in order to reduce the CO2 emission, to minimize the consumption of electricity, and to be sure that the right consumption is at the right place and the right production is at the right place. And to connect all these things, we have to connect the production to the consumption in real time and on a very much more dynamic way than in the past. So
that's a bold idea, Antoine. Thank you very much. Thank you.